Welcome to the PJO Insurance Brokerage Podcast. We cover different topics on business insurance in order to help you choose the appropriate coverage. We believe that being properly insured is just good business sense, and our experienced brokers will help design an insurance program specifically for your company's needs. At PJO Insurance Brokerage, we put our clients' needs first and foremost.
In this podcast, we'll be looking into the options and benefits of acquiring a landscaper's business insurance in Scottsdale, Arizona. As a landscaping business in Scottsdale, it's important that you obtain the proper landscaper's business insurance, regardless of the size. No matter what kind of business you own, it's important to keep it protected, and business insurance is the only way to do that. When discussing insurance coverage for landscapers, we understand the many risks that are associated with such a job. Just one accident or mistake, no matter how minor, could carry severe damages, and ones that can potentially cause your company to go out of business. Now, why is it crucial that you protect your landscaping company with landscaper's insurance? Ask yourself these questions. Could your company survive a claim or a lawsuit? Or could your company afford to pay out thousands of dollars for a claim such as damage to property or injured workers? We understand that landscaping contractors are involved in many aspects of lawn maintenance, including working with dangerous tools such as chainsaws, lawnmowers, and shears, performing such duties as trimming trees and hedges, installing pavers, lighting, and other outdoor features, and much more. It's important to keep a close eye on every detail, and that should pertain to your Scottsdale business insurance coverage as well. Since 2001, the experienced brokers at PJO Insurance Brokerage have been working with landscaping companies to assist them in creating the perfect insurance program for their specific needs as a business. Next, let's review the coverage options for your landscape company in Arizona. Some of the coverage we offer landscaping companies include Scottsdale General Liability Insurance. The first step in protecting your Scottsdale landscaping company is to acquire general liability insurance coverage. By having an Arizona General Liability Insurance policy, it will protect your landscaping company from negligence related to your company's business activities resulting in property damage or claims of bodily injury. Also, this type of insurance coverage will provide your company legal defense in the event that a lawsuit or claim is filed against it. Scottsdale Workers' Compensation Insurance. Workers' compensation insurance provides coverage for your company's employees' medical expenses and at least some portion of the wages they have lost while injured and unable to work when they are injured on the job. Scottsdale Workers' Compensation Insurance is a form of state-regulated, no-fault liability insurance that can cover a variety of things for your injured or ill employee, including rehabilitation services, lost wages, medical expenses, or death resulting from a work-related illness or injury. Should your employees become injured in the workplace, they are eligible for workers' compensation benefits, regardless of whose fault it is. When an injury or illness occurs while conducting an employer's business or performing one's job duties, employees are entitled to receive workers' compensation benefits. This type of coverage also protects an employer from being sued by an injured worker in most cases. Arizona Property Inland and Marine Coverage. Many things can befall your Scottsdale landscaping company, such as theft, damage to your tools, or some other action that qualifies as a disaster. Is your business currently insured for these types of potential disasters? When you obtain Scottsdale property insurance, your company would have protection for such things as your company's equipment, inventory, furniture, computers, fixtures, and betterments and improvements made to your place of business. Certain policies may also include coverage for loss of income due to your business being suspended and unable to operate due to a covered loss, and may even cover payroll and operating expenses necessary to keep your business going after a covered loss. Most property insurance policies are typically designed to protect the assets at your company's address of operation. If you keep your equipment and materials at a single location and move them frequently, it's a good idea to also purchase inland and marine coverage. Lastly, we offer additional Scottsdale landscapers coverage. The aforementioned coverages are just some of the many different insurance coverages that the Scottsdale insurance agents at PJO Insurance Brokerage offer to landscaping companies in Scottsdale, Arizona. A small sample of additional insurance coverages available are contractors' pollution liability, employment practices liability, directors and officers liability insurance, excess liability umbrella insurance coverage, and errors and omissions insurance, to name just a few. Remember, if you're in need of insurance coverage for your landscaping business, contact our experienced agents right away. Since 2001, The professional brokers at PJO Insurance Brokerage have been finding the proper insurance coverage for landscaping contractors and have access to such insurance carriers as Atlantic Casualty, Contractors Bonding and Insurance Company, Colony Insurance Company, First Mercury, Mesa Underwriters, Navigators, Vela, and Hanover Insurance Group. We know how important it is to obtain the right coverage for your landscaping company, and we are prepared to help you find which policies work best for you. We can help you understand your coverage needs, customize a policy to suit your specific requirements, and provide ongoing support in case of claims or adjustments to your policy, ensuring that your insurance needs are met with the appropriate coverage. To protect your Scottsdale landscape company, call PJO Insurance Brokerage today at 480-680-9951 or visit us online at pjobrokerage.com.
Thank you for listening to the PJO Insurance Brokerage Podcast. Our brokers have over 60 years of combined insurance experience, and we are committed to perform at a level above the rest. If you would like to experience what it's like to work with business insurance professionals who are committed to superior customer service, please call PJO Insurance Brokerage to set up an appointment and review your company's specific insurance needs.